going to do some debadging on the Duramax today. And in the last video we did some demolding on the doors. So we took this door trim off and we used one of them 3M erasers and it worked pretty good. So it'll be about the same process when we take the badges off. So let's get started. Now we need some light. Alright, that's better. So we're going to do this same way. We're going to take some fishing line and we're going to run it up in behind here, and that'll help bring it off a lot better. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a heat gun and I ain't going to leave it on there very long. And I'm going to do like I did last time, and I'm going to run the fishing line behind there and work my way through, and that'll help bring it off a lot easier. The good thing about using this fishing line is when we take this off, we could always reuse this if we wanted to. Alright, so this is the 3M eraser wheel. We'll put our 3M eraser wheel on this adhesive here. We'll work our way back. That'll bring it off a lot easier. So you can see the 3M eraser brings all that off pretty good. There's a little bit of residue left, and we'll use some kind of rubbing compound to take that off. In the last video I used turtle wax rubbing compound, and that brought it off pretty good. Now we can take it outside and we'll clean it up. That way we can put the compound on. Alright guys, so it's getting dark out and I'll meet you in the morning and I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know what's next, but I do need to replace the headliner. It's starting to come down a little bit. You can see right through here, and it is a little bit dirty, so I'd like to replace that. It's coming loose a little bit on the edges. I'd like to do that. I don't know if that will be the next video. And I also need to finish undercoating the truck, and we use chassis saver, so probably be one of those videos next. Also, don't forget about the Jeep build. I got several things for it. Well guys, that's gonna do it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.